Different roasting levels and type of coffee grids. The introduction: each roasting level caters to different tastes, preferences, and brewing methods. Like roast are preferred for these bright, acidic qualities, while medium and medium dark roast after a balanced and complex flavor profile. Dark roast and espresso roast are chosen for their bold, intense flavors, making them perfect for espresso and specialty coffee drinks. Understanding this roasting level helps in selecting the right type of coffee for your preferred brewing method and taste preferences. Number 1, light roast. Light roasts have a light brown color and a mild acidic flavor with fruity notes. They retain more or the coffee's original acidity and are often described as bright and snappy. And colors: light brown. Flavor profile niya is yung mild acidic with fruity notes. Acidity niya high acidity. Number 2, medium roast. Medium roast offer a balanced flavor with a medium brown color. They have a moderate level of acidity and body, providing a smooth and well-rounded taste. Yung colors niya mediums brown. Flavors profile niya is balanced with a mix of acidity and sweetness. Acidity niya is yung moderate acidity and yung body, medium body. Number 3, yung medium dark roast. This level is slightly darker than medium roast with a richer, more complex flavor profile. It has a deeper brown color and a fuller body with notes of chocolate and caramel. Colors: slightly darker than medium with a deeper brown color profile, richer, more complex with notes of chocolate and caramel. Acidity: slightly lower acidity than medium roast. Yung body niya is fuller body. Number 4, dark roast. Dark are very dark brown to almost black in color. They have a lower acidity and a bold, intense flavor with hints of bitterness. The flavor can be more robust and smoky. Yung colors niya very dark brown to almost black. Flavor profile: bold, intense with hints of bitterness and sometimes smoky notes. Acidity: low acidity. Yung body niya is yung heavy body. Lastly, yung espresso roast. Especially designed for espresso, them beans are usually medium to dark roast. They are carefully selected to produce a concentrated, rich flavor, so stable for making espresso. So, yung sa dark roast, yung espresso roast, typically medium to dark roast. Flavor profile niya concentrated, rich with a balanced acidity, so stable for espresso. Yung acidity, balanced acidity, body, dense cream, and texture. Introduction of type of coffee grids. Each grid size is designed to optimize the brewing process for a specific method, influencing the taste, body, and overall experience of the coffee. Choosing the right grid size is crucial for achieving the desired flavor profile and ensuring that the coffee extraction is neither under-extracted, bitter, or nor over-extracted, harsh. Number 1 is yung